Hi, Max here from T.W White Sons Mazda, and today I'm here to show you our 2015 15 plate Mazda 6. This particular vehicle is the 2.2D Sport Nav Saloon specification. It's in the Sonic Silver exterior colour and it has got the black and brown leather interior. I'll give you a full walk around of the outside of the vehicle and a walk through of the inside of the vehicle as well to show you its condition. As you can see, the vehicle is in really fantastic condition. As you can see on the front alloy here, there is some curbing to it. However, we will be getting this fully refurbished as part of our preparation for the vehicle. But in regards to the paintwork, as you can see, all in really lovely condition. As part of the specification, you'll see you do have the rear privacy glass on there for it. And again, for the rear of the vehicle, all in really lovely condition. This particular vehicle has got a full service history for it. It has recently had a service carried out to it as of last month. It is due a MOT, however this will be getting carried out as part of the preparation for the vehicle. As we get to the rear of the vehicle, as you'll see, you do have the reversing sensors, and you do also have the reversing camera as well for the vehicle, which is really lovely feature to have. I'll also just show you the boot, and as you can see, really lovely sized boot on the Mazda 6 Saloon. A real lovely depth to it, and as you can see, plenty of space. And as we make our way around to the other side of the vehicle, again, all in really lovely condition. This vehicle will come with 1 year Mazda warranty included in the purchase price, and all of our vehicles do have a 101 point health check carried out to them. And again, for the last alloy. And as we make our way back to the front of the vehicle, you'll see you do also have the front parking sensors as well. I'll now give you a full walkthrough of the inside of the vehicle. As I mentioned earlier, it does have the black and brown leather interior. As you can see, you've got the brown on the door there. And for the inside, again, all in really lovely condition. Has really been looked after by the previous owner. Do have the folding centre armrest for the rear passengers with 2 cup holders. A lovely amount of feet and leg room. I'll now just show you the front of the vehicle. On the door here, you'll see you do have the smart keyless entry. So with the key in your pocket or in a bag, all you have to do is press the little black button and it will unlock the vehicle. On the driver's door, you do have the electric adjustments for the wing mirrors. And as you'll see, as part of its specification, it does have the upgraded Bose sound system, which is a really fantastic sound system for the vehicle. You do also have the electrically adjusted seats with 2 memory saving options as well. And if I just step into the vehicle, so it is a keyless start. So with your foot on the clutch, all you have to do is press and release the stop start button just up the top here, which will turn the vehicle on. As you can see, the vehicle has done 69,020 miles. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control, and on the left hand side you do have the Bluetooth wireless cooling hands-free. The vehicle has got automatic lights and automatic windscreen wipers. Just to the right of the steering wheel, just down here, you do have the little panel of buttons. So you've got the traction control for the vehicle, the reset for the tyre pressures, you've got the i-stop start system, and you do also have the lane departure warning and the blind spot monitoring as well for the vehicle. As we make our way to the centre of the vehicle, so just in the centre armrest, you do have a nice little bit of storage space. You've got your 2 USB charging ports, and next to it you do have the 12-volt socket as well. As we make our way forward, you do have your 2 front cup holders. You can cover it or have it open. Then as we make our way forward, we have got the controls for the infotainment screen, which I'll get onto in just a little moment. And just to the right of that, you do have the electric handbrake. Works just like a normal handbrake. You push it down to release it and pull it up to put it on. This particular vehicle being the 6-speed manual. And then you do have your full dual zone climate control. So the dial on the right here will control the temperature for all 4 vents. However, if you press on the dual, you can control the temperature independently to one another. Just down here, you can control where it comes out of. And then on the other side, you've got the controls for how much it blows out. You do also have heated seats for both the driver and front passenger. And you can also turn off the parking sensors if you wish as well. As we make our way up to the top, we do have the infotainment screen, really lovely and easy to use. And as I mentioned, all controlled by the center console just down here. You've got like the quick system buttons just on the top. So the little house is always going to bring you back to this home screen. Nav will always take you to the navigation, and the little music symbol will always take you onto like the radios. First of all, if we just go into settings, this is where you're going to find various different settings for display, safety and sound. As you can see on here with this vehicle, you do also have the virtual heads-up display, and you can go in and actually change the height of it as well. Next is we have the onboard navigation system for the vehicle, really lovely and simple to use. If you just click on the little flag down the bottom and go on to find address, you'll be able to pop in your postcode and it will route to that destination. You can then go and save that as your home address or to your favorites. Next is communication. So this is where you're going to be able to connect your mobile device via Bluetooth for Bluetooth wireless calling, or if you wish to play music via your phone as well. And next is onto entertainment. If you click on the little music symbol down the bottom, you'll see you do have FM, AM and DAB radio options for the vehicle. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll see you do have the option for Bluetooth as well. Once your phone's connected, all you have to do is select Bluetooth and your phone will actually pop up. And this is how you'll be able to play music via your phone. And if we just go back, and if you just click on the little 3 lines next to it, this is where you'll be able to select through all the different radio options for the vehicle as well. And then lastly, if we just go into application, this is where you're going to find various fuel economy monitoring and warning guidance. You'll see the vehicle does also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you plug your phone in via your USB charging cable to the top USB port there, you will be able to have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If I just pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll see you do have the reversing camera and the visuals for the front and rear sensors. And it is really lovely and clear, as you can see there. And again, for the overall condition of the front of the vehicle, all in really lovely condition, really has been looked after. I will now just finish up outside the vehicle. So in order to turn the vehicle off, all you have to do is press the stop start button. So there we have it. That is our 2015 15 plate Mazda 6 Sport Nav Saloon. If you would be interested in booking an appointment to come view and test drive the vehicle, or if you have any questions regarding its availability, then please do give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help.